Namaste, I'm Libby from Body IQ and welcome to an introduction to a new concept called AromaYOGA. So AromaYOGA is a series of 12 separately themed workshops that are going to help you bring your body and your mind into balance. So each workshop will have a different theme with a different focus and a different outcome, and we'll be using different series of oils and also different yoga asanas. So we're using the doTERRA oils with this program because they are the purest and the most potent. So doTERRA actually means gift of the earth, and they are sourced from the country of origin, which for me just made it very, very comforting to know that they were pure, that they were independently tested by an aromatic scientist. So what's in the bottle is actually what it's meant to be. Being so pure as well, I had no idea when I first started using these oils during my breast cancer recovery that you could ingest them, you can put them into your food, you can diffuse them so you're actually getting the aromatic benefit from it. You can apply them to the body, and that just blew me away because I really didn't know a lot about aromatherapy. I thought oils, you couldn't really put them on your body, you had to use them in a burner. But this has been a real education process for me, and this is what our workshops do. It's not just about the yoga and the application of the oils. You're actually going to go away knowing a little bit more about essential oils, how they can be like medicine for your body and for your mind and for your whole family, and how you can then use them in your day-to-day activities. So this particular sequence of oils that we have here, we use in one of the workshops that I'm currently doing called Balance. So the objective of the Balance workshop is to create homeostasis in the body and the mind. So each of the particular oils work on one component. So for example, the first two oils that are used are Balance and Lavender. Lavender, it comes from France. So the Balance is a blend of spruce and frankincense and rosemary and blue tansy. So it's a very grounding balance that works to bring your sympathetic nervous system into a parasympathetic state. The other oil that is used is lavender. So both of these oils either applied at the beginning of the class or at the end when we're in our relaxation. So normally we would apply it to the back of the ears, to the temple or the forehead. So lavender, by the way, is excellent for insomnia. I found that magical when I was going through my chemo treatment and had some nasty side effects, one of them which was insomnia. So the second two oils that we apply usually when we're in our standing poses is Melaleuca. So Melaleuca is the Australian Melaleuca, and we normally would apply that particularly in winter to the chest area or to the soles of the feet. The other oil is an amazing blend called On Guard, which has wild orange and clove, cinnamon, just amazing oils here that you can actually put under your tongue. You can use it on the soles of your feet. If you've got anyone in your family that's got the sniffles, then go to bed with some nice woolly socks on and some oils on your feet, and it's just going to really help boost your immune system. It's actually so pure that it's used in hospitals now to kill golden staph. So you'll learn all of this information in our workshops. The next two oils that we used are working on helping reduce inflammation at the cell level in the body and also to relax the muscles. So Aroma Touch is a blend that has cypress and basil and grapefruit in it. And our Deep Blue, which is a very, very well used oil by athletes and by trainers and chiropractors and physiotherapists. Has wintergreen in it, and it gets in very, very deep into the body to release any muscular cramping, any pain that you have, nerve endings. It's just phenomenal. The last two that we have are our wild orange and peppermint. So usually when you come into a workshop, we will put some of the oils, and in this case it will be wild orange, into some water, so you can actually get the taste and the benefit. And we'll also make you a lovely cup of tea at the end with 1 drop of pure peppermint oil, and it is very powerful, believe me. Knock your socks off. So all of these beautiful oils together, combined with the yoga, just create an absolute state of body bliss. So I invite you to learn a little bit more. Maybe go to my website, which is libbyweston.com. If you are a yoga teacher and you are wanting to learn how can I incorporate these workshops into my business or bring them to create a buzz in my studio, it's AromaYogaTouch.com. And I look forward to meeting you personally, or for you to experience this in a yoga studio near you soon. Namaste.